till March 2020. The typical story of Sri Satya Sai Vidya Vahini went something like this.
हेलो, कौन बोलता है?
Sairam Principal Madam, how are you? This is Aditya from Sri Satya Sai Vidya Vahini. I'm your school relationship coordinator.
आदित्य,
Madam, I'm from Vidya Vahini at Prashanti Nilayam. Remember Madam, I had come to your school and trained your teachers. We even set up a laptop and a projector in one of the classes.
oh yes, now I remember. That computer was very helpful. I'm learning how to send emails and how to browse the internet. Sir, can you send one more laptop for my vice principal too? And I need a favor from you. Can you build a computer lab for our school? We are losing students to the international schools nearby.
Madam, but you know, Bhagwan has asked us to empower teachers with this prasadam in the form of ready-made content, training and teaching aids.
No, sir. My teachers don't want to take any extra work. They have their own teaching methodology. Right now, we are busy with exams. So can we talk later? Thank you. Sairam.
In March 2020, the world was under attack from a deadly virus, COVID-19. All schools were shut. Within a month, everything had changed.
नोवल कोरोना వైరస్ వ్యాప్తిని
हो साईरा तुम हो मेरा
Hello.
Hello Aditya sir. Sairam. I am the principal of the Sri Satya Sai School of Lok Pradesh. Do you remember me?
Sarah Madam. Yes, of course, I remember.
Look Aditya, our school is facing lots of problems because of the COVID lockdown. Children are not coming to school, parents are not willing to pay their fees, and my teachers are not taking classes but they are expecting their salaries. And on top of this, other schools have started taking online classes. And you know something, even our own Satya Sai schools in the neighboring districts are taking classes, and that too in English. I don't understand how they are doing it. Can you give me some information about it, please?
Yes, madam. That school has implemented Vidya Vahini for over a year now. Teachers there know how to use our online content. They also speak good English because they got trained in our spoken English program called Phone Your Friend.
Oh, is that so? Can Vidya Vahini do the same thing for my school too?
Madam, why fear when Swami is here? Is Vidya Vahini is just the perfect rescue package for the current situation. All our assets are discharged and given freely to all sides.
What? Central Trust is giving assets to all the Vidya Vahini schools? But how much do they charge for this?
Madam, the Central Trust is giving more than rupees and paise. These are all learning assets. True is Vidya Vahini, Bhagwan will empower your teachers with world-class lesson plans. All the content comes integrated with values. We also provide professional training and teaching aids, Sairam. This Vidya Dhanam is Bhagwan's Prasadam. It is served without any charge to your school. And since it's online, we can teach them via the internet.
But can you teach my teachers how to make PPTs?
Of course, madam. We can teach them and also show them how to use thousands of presentations that are readily available for every chapter in the syllabus.
Good, very good. And what are these teaching aids?
Madam, every year we send learning modules to match the subjects like math, science, social and English lesson plans in your syllabus. Last year, in fact, no one collected your parcel from the courier office if I remember right.
You have a good memory for a young man. Let's forget the past and start afresh. So when can Vidyavani start the training for my teachers?
Om Shri Sai Ram. Bhagwan's grace on the Vidyavahini team continued to flow in the year 2019-20 as well. One of the most fruitful year despite all the uncertainties surrounding us due to the COVID pandemic. Here is a quick overview of what happened in 2019-20. Content domain. We have delivered 100% of the content that is required for CBSE for the subjects EVS, mathematics and science. Social studies, which we started a little later, we have completed 70%, and content for 5 more boards are underway. Bhagavan said that love my uncertainty, right? This is true definitely in the training domain. While we were revamping the entire train the trainer teacher training content, the entire module we were revamping and preparing ourselves to deliver training in the month of May, June time frame, COVID happened. But since we already got the content ready, and since our trainers, most of them were trained on using Google Meet and various other virtual meeting tools, we went ahead and we could connect with every single teacher in our Sai schools across 5-6 states. Okay, we managed to complete the first term portions for AP, Gujarat, Karnataka, Odisha, Tamil Nadu and the northeastern states. Again, another success story is SOPAN, the Basic Literacy and Bridge Program, which is rolled out in a cluster of Virudhunagar district in Tamil Nadu under the aegis of Niti Aayog. Okay. 200 teachers from 90 schools are trained. They are engaged on a consistent basis, even on a daily basis. 6 days a week they are engaged. This again has shown a lot of improvement. As you all know, recently we signed up with NCERT for providing our content on the government's portal, which is Diksha. We have already started the work, and we have one sample content, production content available on the portal as of now. Very soon you will see the entire CBSE content what we have available on the Diksha portal. Last but not the least, again, despite the COVID situation, our volunteers, our Phone Your Friend volunteers marched on. 300 of them, got in touch with 300 teachers across 14 states and 40 schools, talking to them twice or thrice a week, improving their English language skills. So this is a quick overview. Thank you.